everyone, it's Mrs. Antala and Ned here. Today we're having another maths lesson about how many more. You will need a dice, some objects to count and some paper to draw your pictures. Have a look at the two groups of fruit here. I like eating apples and bananas. Which fruit do you like eating? Count the apples on the top row and then count the bananas on the bottom row. Can you tell just by looking which group has more and which group has fewer? Did you say apples? Yes, there are 4 apples and only 3 bananas. Can you remember the word we use when the group is smaller? It's fewer. We would say that there are fewer bananas than apples. Let's match up the apples and bananas. 1, 2, 3. Can you see that there's 1 more apple than bananas? We can check by putting a piece of paper over the matched up pairs. Yes, still 1 more apple. Now for your work task. I want you to roll the dice and then make a group of objects for that number, just like this. If I rolled my dice and got a 4, then I would need to get 4 objects. Today I think I'll use some of my boys' toy cars. We're going to put them in the row and then roll the dice again. Oh, I got a 6. I need to get 6 more cars and put them in a row under my top row. Now I can see which group is bigger. I can see with my eyes that the bottom row has more cars and the top row has fewer cars. Can you see which group has more and which group has fewer? Yes, the bottom row has more cars. I know that the bottom row has 6 cars, but I want to find out how many more cars there are on the bottom row. If I match up the cars, I can see how many more cars there are on the bottom row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can see that there are 2 more cars. How many more cars are there? 1, 2. Remember, we can put a piece of paper over the matched up pairs and then count how many more. Yes, there are 2 more cars. I want you to play this game too. Roll your dice and collect your objects for that number. Then roll your dice and make a group of objects for the next number. Draw your objects and match them up. Which group has more and which group has fewer? Draw a circle or a box around the extra or the more objects. Play this game 3 times and then take a photo and upload it to Dojo. Happy counting. Bye for now.